Now we'll study about de Broglie's hypothesis. Before the time of this de Broglie's hypothesis, it was established for a photon by Albert Einstein. We already discussed about the photon theory given by Albert Einstein, in which he has given that momentum of a photon can be given as P is equals to h by lambda, where lambda is its wavelength, or we can write the wavelength is given as h over p. These were the relations which were established for a photon. Or it was also analyzed by various experiments that like photoelectric effect, that photons also have inertial character, although it is a particle of electromagnetic wave. Similarly, in the analysis of de Broglie, in various analyses, de Broglie assumed that as an electromagnetic wave can possess momentum and behave like a particle, we can also say that a moving particle must also behave like an electromagnetic wave. It was just an assumption of de Broglie based on which several experiments were done, and what he assumed about the wavelength of this electromagnetic wave we can write, of which wavelength can be given as, this was analyzed by the Einstein's theory, in which he analyzed the momentum of photon as h by lambda. The same relation de Broglie analyzed that for a moving particle, the wavelength, equivalent wavelength can be written as h by momentum of the particle, or it can be given as h over mv. This was the relation given by de Broglie as an assumption from the Einstein's photonic theory. And later on it was analyzed that many experiments were in favor of de Broglie's hypothesis, and later on it leads to a very strong discovery for which de Broglie was later awarded Nobel Prize for such a theory.